Some people are always looking for remedies to grow thicker hair. According to the American Academy of Dermatologists, almost 30 million women suffer from hair loss and spend big money to find one that works. Our consumer reporter Janice Lieberman gives us the real deal on those products.
The hair and scalp industry is an $80 billion industry, with people willing to shell out lots of money for all kinds of products that promise to thicken your hair. We asked a hair loss doctor to sort it all out. We are obsessed with our hair, and when it thins, we'll try almost anything to regain our mane. Hair loss doctors are wizards at transplants and treatments. But for those of us who can't afford it, we turn to what's available at the drugstore.
One option is Rogaine. You can buy it at the pharmacy. You can also buy it online, and it does work to help to thicken your hair.
Rogaine runs around $30 to $40, but you can buy generic minoxidil for $15 to $20. Keep in mind, you need to keep using it for optimal results.
One option is Nizoral shampoo, which is also sold over the counter. The active ingredient is called ketoconazole, and it's an anti-inflammatory, but it has been shown that it can help to thicken the hair. There is a vitamin supplement that's sold online or through physicians' offices as well, but it is over the counter called Nutrafol.
Nutrafol is recommended by doctors, but will still run you at least $80 a month. There are plenty of lower price shampoos out that claim to give you the appearance of thicker looking hair.
Thickening shampoos may give you a cosmetic benefit. It may help your hair to look thicker and look fuller, but it's not actually thickening your hair. There are ingredients within the shampoo that sticks to your hair and gives the appearance that it's fuller.
Hair loss isn't going away anytime soon, but there may be encouraging news on the horizon.
There are some other treatments that are in the research phase now, so hopefully that'll come to fruition.
A shorter haircut, frequent trimming, and not using hot products on your hair may give you the appearance of thicker hair and will be less expensive than buying all these products. I'm Janice Lieberman, and that's The Real Deal.